All right, y'all, what's the deal, man? It's JT back with another video. I believe this is my first video for the month of May. It's my birthday month. My birthday is May 30th. For those of y'all that don't know. But yeah, wanted to get into this video real quick. As you can see, so far for today, we had 2:17:50. It is 1:06 p.m. Detroit time. So that's why the number's this low. Still a good day, regardless. But yesterday, we had 6:17:70. So far for the month, 8:35. It's only 2 days into May. So in this video, now I showed y'all the proof or whatever. Like I said in my last video, I'm gonna start showing y'all more tutorials, over the shoulder type of things. So I ain't just showing income proof without any context to it. So in this video, I'm gonna be posting a live video on my account. So if y'all seen, I've been promoting my Autopilot traffic system where I basically promote your affiliate link inside of my bio. In this video, I'm gonna be actually doing a direct promotion video instead of just somebody that just paid for a spot in my bio. I'm gonna actually make a video tailored to them, which is what I'm doing for my members. This is my first one I'm doing a promo for. So I made a script and a caption. I already made the video and everything. So let's go through the script. It says, stop scrolling. If you're a broker and need extra money, watch this. These websites are literally paying people up to $35 an hour to review products from home and get paid. Thinkremote.org, they pay up to $35 an hour just to review top brands, products, and services. Blah, blah, blah. But if that one's full, there's another site called remotetask.org doing the same exact thing, paying up to $35 an hour to review products and services. No experience needed, and you can start today. To save you time, put the direct links in my bio. Make sure to save this video so you don't lose it. Share with someone who needs a remote job, and follow me for more remote job leads, blah, blah. So that's basically promoting my website, my affiliate link, and then one of my members that pay for the Autopilot traffic system. So if this video go viral, when I post it, he get all of that traffic on top of the people that click the link in bio. I noticed too, from people that click the link in bio versus directly promoting, it's like a day and night difference. So when you're promoting in the video, I guess people is like screenshotting the website and typing it in themselves. A lot of people don't even just click the link in the bio. They'll just see it in the video and then type it in. And then some people, the other portion of the people will go to the bio link. So that's why I said anybody that purchased the Autopilot traffic system be making videos to directly promote your website as well as getting the people that click the link in bio. So you get the best of both worlds is what I'm saying. So here's the caption. Must see, these sites are paying people up to $35 an hour to review top brands, products from home. No experience, no degree, no interview. I put the direct links to apply in my bio to save you time. Say this post, share with someone, job hunting, blah, blah, blah. There's that. Oh, and before I get into the video that I made and the rest of the stuff, I just made a new TikTok account to continue testing my strategies and stuff like that. So if you did miss out on my previous accounts that I was promoting the Autopilot traffic system, I just started a new TikTok account. So if you wanted a spot in there, I do have 3 spots. I'm only selling 3 spots to my new account inside the Autopilot traffic system. So I'll leave a link in below and in the pinned comment section so you can go secure your spot. And I will make personal videos just like this one where I promote your affiliate link alongside mine. So we both get to make some money. Now with that script, what I did was use because I don't be feeling like doing like the voiceovers and shit myself no more. So I use 11 Labs and I basically pasted the script in here. As you can see, this is what it came up with.
Stop scrolling. If you're broke or need extra money, watch this. These websites are literally paying people up to $35 an hour to review products from home and get paid. Thinkremote.org.
Well, you already know the script. I'd rather just show y'all what it looks like after it's put together because I already edited the video and everything. I just didn't download it and upload it yet, which is why I'm making a YouTube video. But this is my website, thinkremote.org. And then this is my partner, remotetask.org. One of the members look just like mine, just a different brand. And let me show y'all the video I came up with. I just got done editing it. Here we go. It's 35 seconds long. Let's play it.
Stop scrolling. If you're broke or need extra money, watch this. These websites are literally paying people up to $35 an hour to review products from home and get paid. Thinkremote.org. They pay up to $35 an hour just to review top brands, products, and services. You can work from anywhere. Set your own schedule. And yes, they offer same-day payouts. But if that one's full, there's another site called remotetask.org doing the exact same thing. paying up to $35 an hour to review products and services. No experience needed, and you can start today. To save you time, I put the direct links to apply in my bio. Make sure to save this video so you don't lose it. Share it with someone who needs a remote job, and follow me for daily work from home job leads.
Perfect. Boom. Last thing I'm about to add, which I forgot to do before I made this video, is to add the little sound effects for every picture that I display. It just helps boost retention. So I'm about to do that real quick. It should only take a second. Then I'm gonna just upload it on TikTok after that. Let's see. Hopefully I ain't gotta do no edits to it. I'm gonna do it for. Let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah. Bring this over here. Where's the image at? Oh, here we go. So let's see how it sounds.
Today, to save you time, I put.
All right, bet. So now I just need to do that for the other two images. Where is it? So one right here. I think this right. Nope. Wait, is that right? There we go. And then for think remote, we're gonna do that right there. All right, so now when the images display on the screen, it should have a little sound effect to it.
Home and get paid. Thinkremote.org.
All right.
But if that one's full, there's another site called remotask.org.
Perfect. And we got one more.
You can start today to save you time.
Perfect. Video is completely done. I like how everything looks. The only thing I'm gonna do now is add the text hook on screen. I'm gonna probably put remote jobs hiring right now. I'm gonna put that like right here, and then I'm gonna do that on TikTok or whatever. So let me export it. Mind you, it only took me probably like 2 minutes to make this whole entire video. 2 minutes. Real simple. So while that's downloading, let me see if I'm missing anything. Oh yeah, while that's downloading, like I said, Autopilot traffic system. I just started a new TikTok account. If you want a spot, I got 3 open spots just for this account. I don't know when I'm gonna make another account, so take advantage of it while it's here. Only 3 spots, only $100 to have your spot in there, and I'm gonna make personal videos just like this one where I promote my website and I'm gonna promote yours. Make a bunch of those for you, so you can make some money, man, on Autopilot. And then a lot of y'all ask, how long would the link be in the bio? The link will be in the bio until the account get deleted. So maybe that's 2, 3, 6 months from now or never. I only had 1 account deleted since I started this, so that's that. What I'm gonna do is, matter of fact, I'm gonna start this video. I'm about to cut the video right now. Once it's done downloading whatever, and then I'm gonna upload it on TikTok. And I'm gonna come back with y'all in a second. All right, y'all, just uploaded it onto my TikTok account. Let me refresh it. I'm waiting for it to populate. Oh, there it go. Let's see. And as you already watched the video, it's no need for me to play the whole thing, but y'all can see it's on there. Remote jobs hiring right now.
Extra money? Watch this. These websites are literally paying people up to $35 an hour to review products from home and get paid.
I give it, let me see, probably by the time I upload this YouTube video, if you go on my TikTok account, you'll see the views start to add up. I can see that one taking off, because normally my videos they get at least 1,000, 2,000 views on the low end. So yeah, the other website that I promoted was one of my Autopilot traffic system members. I'm gonna be doing everybody that signed up for Autopilot traffic system. I'm getting y'all personal videos out today, as well as the new people that sign up on my new account. Like I said throughout this video, I got a new account that I'm promoting. A new TikTok account that I'm promoting on, and I got 3 open spots for the Autopilot traffic system. So like I said, you had the link in bio traffic, as well as the direct videos where I promote your website, just like I just did here for one of my members. If you want access to that, I got 3 spots for my new account. Link will be in the description or in the comment section down below. If y'all want me to make more videos like this where I show y'all more behind the scenes and me posting and promoting, instead of just showing results, just let me know so I keep making these videos daily or as often as I can. Yeah, any questions, comments, or concerns, post it in the comment section down below, and I will see y'all in the next video.